So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I will show you how to add both Roman numerals and regular numbers automatically in Microsoft Word. Perfect for essays, reports, or thesis. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here I have a sample of a report that I want to, this is just a sample of a paper that I've written so that I can demonstrate to you. And we have the cover page that has the title and the details of the student, including the course unit and the university affiliation. We have the second page consists of declaration. Then the third page consists of acknowledgement. Then when we scroll down, we also have the section for the abstract. Then we have the introductory part going downwards. So I want to insert the numbers in this document to make sure that my document is numbered and it's arranged in a good way. Now, let me start from the easiest part, where you just go ahead and insert the numbers on all the pages. Then secondly, I'll also teach you how to insert the Roman numerals. That is on the from the declaration page. This one supposed to be a Roman number, then followed by acknowledgement, then up to the abstract, up to here. But from introduction going downwards, it will be in a whole number or the regular numbers. But before we go to that, let's start with the first one. Let me walk you through just the simplest way on how you can install or insert the numbers in your document. So the first thing that you need to do once you open up your document in Microsoft Word, you go to this section where we have Insert tab. You click on it. Then on this ribbon, you can see you have many features here. You have so many groups of features here on this ribbon. But our main focus is here where we need to add the page number. So you go ahead and click this arrow that points downwards. You click on it. That is what we call the launch button. Once you click on it, you can see it gives you different options. You can decide to put your numbers at the top of your paper. Like for example, when we consider this one, if you want our numbers to appear here, we will choose this option. Then we can either take the plain number 1, plain number 2, or plain number 3. So let's say, for example, we take our top, then we take plain number 1. Once we click on it, you see the number will appear up here. When we scroll down, you can see the number is appearing up there on the page. If you want to go back to your document without these highlights, you can just click on close header or folder. Then you can see your document is numbered in the middle on the top of each paper that you have done that. But let's go back. Let's click Control Z or Control Z to undo this so that I explain to you the second way. So we go to Insert, then we can we go back here. But most of the academical papers, such as a thesis, proposal, or you just maybe writing a report, you find out that they normally use this section where you have the bottom of the page. So once you select this option, you can see here they normally take these options where your numbers will appear down here at the bottom of your pages, and as you scroll down, you can see that going down. Then you can go ahead and click close the header and the footers. Then you can see your numbers have been numbered here. That is the first way you can do that. Then let me undo by clicking Ctrl Z, then going back. Again, there's a keyboard shortcut, or what we call a keyboard, your laptop a shortcut that you can use, rather than going through this process of clicking on insert and coming here and clicking on this. What you can do is you can just take your cursor down here almost at the end of your page, then put there your cursor and double click. Once you double click, this will pop up immediately. This section will pop up immediately. Then it will give you this ribbon that you have, the headers and the footers. Now you can go ahead and pick the page, pick the page number, then let's say, for example, the bottom. Then once you pick that one, it appears here automatically. If you want to highlight the whole thing, you just click Control A. But at the same time, let me show you something. When you look at this number is not completely black. So when you double click on it, when you highlight the whole number by clicking Control A, you can still go back to Home tab. Then you can pick the black color, the one that you want, and then you can take it to Times New Romans that give it the font size 12. Then when you double click on your document, when you go back, your numbers will be there exactly numbered, and they have a different coloring. Let me just go back here, home, click on it. Can also pick a number here, like a dark one. Can change the color of that. You can also you can also edit your number to make sure it fits the desired color that you want to do that. So the next thing that I want you to do right now is you know how to insert the numbers manually. But now on my cover page, I don't want the number to appear here, but I want my numbers to begin from declaration page, going down to acknowledgement and abstract. But now those numbers should be in Roman numerals. Then from here, from introductory page, I want to start with the regular numbers or the whole numbers. So to do that, let us undo this so that we go back and we remove this numbering, Control Z, Control Z again. So you see the numbers have disappeared from our pages. For us to do that, we need to check if this paper has what we call the page breaks, and we can also go ahead and add what we call this section where you add what we call the section break. So for us to determine or to see whether this paper has page breaks, we will go ahead and click on Home tab. Then here on the paragraph ribbon here, you can see you have this sign here that says show or hide the paragraph marks and other hiding formatting symbols. When you click on it like that, it shows you which page has the page break. Like for example, this one, the cover page has a page break, but it does not have a section break. Then the second declaration page also have the page break. Then the acknowledgement has the page break. Then on the abstract, we also have the page break. But now going downwards, we don't have any other page break. So we are only separating these pages to make sure that now we get our desired numbering. The next thing that we will do is we will add what we call the section breaks. So to make sure that when we go back to inserting the numbers, we know what we're doing, and we want the Roman regular numbers or the Roman numbers to be different from the regular numbers. So for us to add the section break, you bring your cursor here behind the declaration word, the declaration page here. Then you will go to this layout section. Then you can see you have this place where you have the breaks. You can now click on that launch button. Then you click on next page. Once you click on next page, the section break will be added there immediately. Then we can also go ahead and add a section break down here on the abstract so that we make sure the whole numbers are different with the Roman numerals. So we'll also add a section break here on the introduction place. So we have a page break and a section break. Then when we go back at the top of our declaration page, we also have a page break and a section break. So the numbers will not start from this side. So we go ahead and insert the numbers. Let me walk you through how to do that. You double click down on your page or the top of your page where you want your numbers to appear. Then the footer and the header sections will appear. Then we will go back to the page numbers, but this time we will go ahead and format the numbers. We will go ahead and format the page numbers. Click on Format Page Numbers. Then we want to pick the Roman numerals. We click on the Roman numerals like that. Then click Start at 1 like that. Then click OK. Once you click OK, we have set our pages to start from the Roman numbers, and they will not start from. Now, for us to make sure that our page numbers do not start on the cover page, what we will do is we will go down here, like for example, down here where we want our numbers to start. we want them to start on this, then we will unclick this. We will unclick link to previous. When you click on that, it means that this page is not linked to the previous page like this page. So what we do is we will come down here, then we go back to page numbers, click on it, then we will select the bottom page number like that. Then we will go to this plain number. Then for us to make sure that we have completely set, you see now, if I go back to this page, the cover page, we don't have the number starting from there, but the number is starting from here on number 2, but we don't want that. What to do is we just click Control Z, then we go back to page number so that we can format the numbers the way we want them so that they start nicely like that. Yes, once you select that, click OK. So on this page, we will start with go back to here, then click bottom. Then we can click the plain number 2 like that. Then our Roman number will start on the next page. That is on declaration page. You can see it had started there. Then it goes to Roman number 2. Then it goes to the abstract Roman number 3. But now I don't want my introduction to continue with you can see here I have a section where it's starting with a whole number, but I want it to start with the regular numbers. What we'll do is just click here, then we will click link to previous and click that. Then once we do that, we go ahead and highlight this and we delete this number. So we can delete this number so that when you go back here, you see this one has not been deleted, but we want to start numbering from this section a different, the regular numbers. What we do, we go back to page numbers, go to format. Then once on your format, pick the regular numbers, then start at 1, click OK like that. Then go back to page number, pick bottom of the page, then plain number 2. Then our regular numbers will start from, you see we have the Roman numbers up there, but the regular numbers have started from the introduction going down. Now when you scroll down, you can see you have different sections. When you scroll down to down to our reference section, we have the regular numbers. But when we scroll up, starting from our abstract, we have the Roman numerals going up. That is on the acknowledgement. The second one and the declaration has one. And the first page does not have any number on it. So you can double click on it. Then you can uncheck this so that your cover page has no any number. But starting from declaration going down, you have your Roman numerals. But starting from your introduction going down, you have your regular numbers. So you can use this one to your thesis document or your project document to make sure that you separate your first pages where you have the declaration, acknowledgement, the figures that you've labeled, you have maybe the acronyms, you have also the abstracts, you have the table of content. You can use the Roman numerals to name your pages. But when it comes to the to this section, starting from the introductory part of chapter 1 of your thesis, you can use the regular numbers, and I have shown you how to do that to make sure that your work looks nice. And that is it. You have now added Roman numerals for the front pages and regular numbers for the rest. All done automatically. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more word tricks like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.